on the lookout for a self-hosted cloud solution, well, you may have come across many options and wondered which is the best one for me. Today, I'm going to give you a full and honest review of OwnCloud. I want you to know everything about them from my own personal point of view. So stick close and let us actually check them out. Let's jump into OwnCloud. So OwnCloud shares files securely with granular permissions. Control your access with password protection and also expiration dates. You can extend functionality through apps as well as with plugins, and you can tailor the platform to your specific business needs. You can also track changes and restore previous versions, which prevents data loss with a more comprehensive history. OwnCloud also serves end-to-end encryption, so it protects sensitive data with robust encryption. It meets strict enterprise regulatory standards, and you can track all file access as well as modifications. It also has that two-factor as well as SSO integration support. The next thing we're having a look at is deployment and integration. So you can install on-premises or in your private cloud infrastructure. It connects with Active Directory, LDAP, S3 storage, and a bunch more. You can apply your organization's look and feel with the UI theming feature, which is great if you are into custom branding, and you can sync across your desktop, mobile device, and anything else seamlessly. So as I mentioned, OwnCloud is fantastic software. However, you do need to go out and try it for yourself to see if it's any good. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.